Right, this is a reading question. This is a multiple choice one. And before we go into it, I suggest you pause the video now and make a note of this vocab because this will help you through it. Okay, so pause the video now. Right, good. And this is what we've got. We've got this text here, quite a lengthy text. And there's 3 questions. You just have to choose the correct option for each one. Okay? So we'll go through it bit by bit on here, okay? So the first one is, according to the leaflet, what is Bachillerato Modelo A? So according to the leaflet, what is Bachillerato Modelo A? So obviously we're looking at this first paragraph here. Okay, if we look at each option, we've got the last year of compulsory high school education, an optional 2-year course for 16-year-olds, a qualification for students who leave school at 16. Right, so if we look, I've taken note here what I think would be the key points for each one to find it. So for A, we would be looking for the word compulsory. B, 2 years, and C, leave school is dejar el colegio. Okay, so read that. Pause the video now and have a go at this. Pause the video now and see which one you think it is. Okay. Now I think the trap here is, which I think many people might fall into, is you see this word obligatorio and think, well, that means the same as compulsory. However, if you look at what comes before it, it says no obligatorio. Therefore, the answer for that one can't be A. The answer for it is B. Okay, we're looking at this part here. Su duración es de 2 años académicos. Su duración, its duration is 2 years. That's the answer for number 1. So number 1 is B. Number 2, número 2. Which of these could be a timetable in the Bachillerato Modelo B? Okay, so longer text now. So 22 hours a week of 50-minute lessons, 45-minute lessons making up 20 hours a week, 18 hours a week in each class lasts an hour. Okay, so again on here I've written out what I think would be the things you would need to look out for, so that each of those in Spanish. Remember, sometimes it's not as straightforward as that, you might have to do a little bit of, you might have to think about it a little bit more, you might have to infer the meaning a little bit, which is the case with this one here. Okay, so I want you to remember, we're looking in this second chunk now, Bachillerato Modelo B, and we're looking for that one there. So pause the video now and have a look for that one. Right, now the answer for this one is C. This was harder, this one. If we look, we're looking in this area here. Cada clase tendrá una duración mínima de 55 minutos. And it does say on there, and it says on there, los alumnos no tendrán más de 20 horas de clases por semana. Los alumnos, so it's that whole chunk we want there. Los alumnos no tendrán más de 20 horas de clases por semana. So the students won't have more than 20 hours of classes a week. Well, if we look at the other options, it was 20 hours a week or 22 hours a week. And then cada clase, so that leaves us so far, it could be A or B so far. Well, no, sorry. It can't be A because it's just 20. They won't have more than 20 hours a week. So it can't be A. As that says 22 hours a week. Could still be B though because it says making up 20 hours a week. Could still be B. Why is it not B though? It says cada clase tendrá una duración mínima de 55 minutos. Every class will have a minimum duration of 55 minutes, meaning therefore it can't be B because it says 45-minute lessons. Okay, so therefore it has to be C. Okay, that's that one there then.